Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the ID50 password manager in 3 easy steps. Once you are set up, you will be on your way to safeguarding your digital identity without all of the memorization. Let's start by getting your computer set up for the ID50. Then, in your favorite web browser, visit identos.com/download-ID50. This page will give you details about your new password manager and, most importantly, it provides the link to step 1, installing the plugin that the ID50 needs to run. So we'll click on the Download Now link, and this will show up slightly differently in every different browser, but you'll just need to allow it to install. Install. Once your browser extension is installed, you will automatically be brought to the installation assistant. Up next is step 2, downloading and installing the service that runs in the background and connects your browser to the ID50 device. Click the download service icon, agree to save the file. Then, once the installer file is downloaded, click on it to run the installation. Run. Next. Next. Yes. Your installation is complete, so you'll just hit close here. The third and final step in setup is to check the third icon to see if the connection to the ID50 is working properly. You can see that upon first clicking the icon, I'm not connected. But when I plug my ID50 device into the USB port on my computer and then click Check Connection, and then you can see that the connection is successfully established. Now that the connection is established, I'll be prompted to set my 4 to 6 digit PIN and then hit OK. At this point, your ID50 is ready to use, though there's a few default settings that we'll present you with to review. These are all of our recommended settings. For example, deactivating your browser's current password manager and having the ID50 lock automatically after 15 minutes, just for the security of your information. You can review and change this information at any time from the ID50 menu up in the toolbar of your browser. So now that we've reviewed the settings, I'm going to click the green button to save all of my changes and exit. Finally, we're going to quickly review a few of the ID50's key features. First and most importantly is how to save a password. Your ID50 password manager will work with any website. For now, I'm going to demonstrate using PayPal.com. All you need to do to save your login is to enter your information into the fields. And then before you hit the login button, you're going to click this ID50 icon that appears in all of your password fields. This will give you a place where you can click to add your authentication data to the ID50. And now that I've done that, my information is saved and I can proceed with my day. Now that I've saved my login, if I ever return to this web page, all of my information is automatically filled in, which I can demonstrate by refreshing the page. If I have multiple accounts for the same website, I can enter them all into the ID50, and then when I click the ID50 icon in the password field, I can switch users from here. If your login information for a website ever changes, you can edit the information saved in the ID50 by clicking the menu in your browser's toolbar. So you go up here, click Edit Passwords. Any password you've saved will appear in this list here. I can show in the Hide My Passwords to double check them, and I can click to edit. New password. Another handy feature of the ID50 is if you don't want the ID50 to offer to store your login data for a website, you can add the site to a blacklist. I would right-click and then go to the password manager and then add this site to blacklist. The next time you visit this page, there will be no ID50 icon in the password bar. If you ever want to undo this action, all you ever have to do is click on the ID50 toolbar, edit the blacklist, and then delete the selected entry. In the ID50 menu up at the top, you'll also find other useful features that you can explore. You have the ability to print your passwords, import previously saved passwords, and edit your saved logins. In the menu, you also have the option to reset your ID50 with a new PIN, though if you want to do this, you must be careful because all of your stored passwords will be deleted. And that concludes our setup tutorial for the ID50 Password Manager. We hope you found it useful.